Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 4. Fear. The hall was covered in deep darkness. The hall was covered in deep darkness. The people could not make a sound. The people could not make a sound. The queen held the princess tight. The queen held the princess tight. The king stared at the witch. The king stared at the witch. The witch stood before the cradle. The witch stood before the cradle. The black staff began to shine. The black staff began to shine. A cold wind blew through. A cold wind blew through. The candle flames stayed out. The candle flames stayed out. Even the fairies could not move. Even the fairies could not move. The witch laughed in a low voice. The witch laughed in a low voice. This is the price of not inviting me. This is the price of not inviting me. The king begged for mercy. The king begged for mercy. Please save only my daughter. Please save only my daughter. But the witch shook her head. But the witch shook her head. The queen shed tears. The queen shed tears. The princess slept quietly. The princess slept quietly. The witch raised her staff high. The witch raised her staff high. Dark light rose into the air. Dark light rose into the air. The people drew close to each other. The people drew close to each other. Terrible words then began. Terrible words then began. On the day this girl turns 15. On the day this girl turns 15. She will touch the spindle needle. She will touch the spindle needle. At that time, her life will end. At that time, her life will end. Cries echoed through the hall. Cries echoed through the hall. The queen fell to her knees. The queen fell to her knees. The king's face grew stiff. The king's face grew stiff. The servants turned pale. The servants turned pale. The fairies held their breath. The fairies held their breath. The witch smiled with satisfaction. The witch smiled with satisfaction. Now your celebration is over. Now your celebration is over. The king reached for his sword. The king reached for his sword. But his body felt heavy. But his body felt heavy. Dark power bound the hall. Dark power bound the hall. No one could step forward. No one could step forward. The queen protected the princess. The queen protected the princess. Tears fell onto the princess. Tears fell onto the princess. The king let out a cry. The king let out a cry. Why does my daughter bear this curse? Why does my daughter bear this curse? The witch did not answer. The witch did not answer. She only looked down coldly. She only looked down coldly. Dark clouds swirled above. Dark clouds swirled above. The window glass shook. The window glass shook. Even the feast flowers fell down. Even the feast flowers fell down. Joy had completely vanished. Joy had completely vanished. The people looked at the princess. The people looked at the princess. No one could speak a word. No one could speak a word. The witch turned her back. The witch turned her back. Just as she tried to leave. Just as she tried to leave. One fairy stepped forward. One fairy stepped forward. Hope still remained. Hope still remained. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.